Hey guys, Greg here. Hey, back from vacation, had a great time. Took some time off for about a week. And what's amazing is I come back and my business continues to grow without me continuing to personally sending out links, my LiveGood links to people. And how I did that was I've been able to set up a system that automatically generates leads for LiveGood. And that becomes very powerful after you get this system implemented. As you know, LiveGood, or as you may not know, LiveGood is the largest affiliate program in the world. 450,000 affiliates. That is huge. There's nothing that comes close to any other affiliate program that LiveGood has. And so it's so exciting to be a part of that. And if you're not currently an affiliate of LiveGood, I would encourage you to click on the link below, check out LiveGood. There's no cost to do it. Click on the link below, check it out. Just make sure you secure your spot before Thursday, before they cut off the power line, because that's when, as the week goes on, that power line continues to grow and the power line begins to place people underneath you. So the sooner you secure that spot in LiveGood, the sooner or the better you will be positioned in the power line. So let me explain the LiveGood affiliate program. It's very simple, and I'm going to explain why it's working so well and why it's the largest affiliate program in the world. Number one, we're offering the highest quality products on the planet, these nutritional products that everybody needs at the lowest cost. So for example, let's say you go to Amazon.com and you're looking for super greens or super reds, or you're looking for a multivitamin. We have it at LiveGood for a cheaper price and a higher quality product. Our products, most of them are organic, all natural ingredients, and you won't find them anywhere except LiveGood. So that's so exciting. We have proprietary products that are designed and formulated by Dr. Ryan Goodkin, a pharmacist who makes these products work for you at the lowest price possible. If you don't believe me, click on the link below, click on shop, and you will see the lowest price products and the highest quality. It has a 90-day money-back guarantee, okay? Even if you don't become an affiliate of LiveGood, which is only a one-time $40 fee. I don't know why you wouldn't. It's one-time fee. It's not annual. It's not monthly. It's a one-time $40 affiliate fee. So once you do start taking the products and get results and you begin to share it with people, you can get paid to do that. And, you know, like I was saying, if you go to Amazon, you're not going to find these products anywhere. You're not going to find them on Amazon. You're not going to find them at Costco or Sam's or any other place. And what I like about LiveGood is they actually pay me commissions to share the company with other people. Costco doesn't pay me, Amazon doesn't pay me, Sam's doesn't pay me to share their products with anybody else. And then you can make life-changing income. Now, a lot of times that's overused. The life-changing phrase is overused, okay? This is true life-changing income. For a simple $10 a month business, you can generate literally hundreds of thousands of dollars with LiveGood. And I'm not just saying that as hype. There's people that are already doing it in LiveGood. This company is about 6 months old, and that's so new in network marketing. This is the time to get on board in LiveGood and make a change for your health, number one, right? Everybody needs to be healthy, and you got to have your health before you have your wealth, all right? If you have wealth, but you don't have your health, I can guarantee you those people that have all the money in the world, but don't have their health, they would trade that money for their health, all right? So these products are products you take every day, all right? If you're already in another network marketing company, stay in that company, don't worry about it. But if you're paying an auto ship, that's even $50 a month. Most of them are hundreds of dollars a month. You don't have to worry about another auto ship with LiveGood. We do not have a requirement for an auto ship. We get paid on the membership itself. All right. And a lot of people out there say, oh, you can't make any money on $10 a month business. But believe me, when you plug in and you start seeing the amount of people that are making hundreds of thousands of dollars already in LiveGood, you'll see very quickly how you can make the kind of life-changing income I'm talking about. All right. So I want to encourage you. First of all, if you're not a LiveGood member, go ahead and click on the link below. Check it out. Like I said, there's no cost to do that. Also, if you are currently a LiveGood member and you're looking to expand your business, you're looking to promote your business, you're currently an affiliate, you want to get your affiliate link out there more, I have a team training site that will explode your business. Like I said, I just got back from a week's vacation. My business grew without me having to personally send out my link because I have it set up automatically, right? I have an automated business that continues to grow when I'm not even there. All right. And when you begin building a team, they are also growing their business and you begin to help them. And so that's what I'm doing with this team site. I'm helping the newest people that come in to LiveGood to train them how to get more exposure, how to bring more people into your business. And that's where the key is. And that's why this is growing so fast. Not only is a compensation plan so lucrative in LiveGood, but you're going to take these products anyway. If you're concerned about your health, if you're concerned about having a better quality of life, these are products you need to take every day. Believe me, I've been in preventative medicine for over 30 years. And your health, nutrition is so vital, okay? It gives you the energy that you need, not only to work out and have exceptional workouts. So that allows you to help prevent disease as well, to become stronger, to increase your immune system. If there's nothing we learned from the pandemic, it was that people had weaker immune systems, right? We have a vitamin K that so many people are so deficient in vitamin K. That's one thing that came out of the pandemic, which affects your immune system. Multivitamin, $9 at LiveGood. You can't beat it. It's the multivitamins are really kind of that, what I like to call your backup plan or your safety plan, right? It allows you to take in the nutrient that you need. That's your kind of your baseline, right? And then we have the other supplements, the super reds, the super greens, as you can see right behind me, right? We have, 20, 25 products right now. We're also expanding the product line to over 200 items by the end of the year. And these are going to be household goods that you use on an everyday basis. Laundry detergent, household cleaners, and believe me, they're going to be the best of the best, and they're going to be the least expensive as well. So now is the time. If you're an affiliate marketer, jump on board on LiveGood, because this is the time to do it, right? Like I said, we're really about 6 months old, have over 450,000 affiliates, which is very small when you're looking at a global position. When you're looking at Amazon, who has over 200 million Prime members. All right, if Jeff Bezos came to you when it started back in 1996 and said, hey, listen, if you want to join an affiliate program, you pay a one-time fee of $40, and every time you share your Amazon Prime link with somebody, I'll pay you. That would have been huge opportunity. Same thing with Costco. When Costco started, if they would have given us that opportunity. Well, LiveGood is giving you that opportunity. So I highly encourage you to jump on board now with LiveGood. Okay, and get started, and so that you can begin building your affiliate program, right? And get started on building your LiveGood business, right? Even if, let's say, you didn't want to share it with anybody, that you are not maybe business minded, but you're just health conscious, and you want to take the best supplements on the planet. LiveGood is there for you, and they're going to be the least expensive for you. So again, guys, if you haven't heard of LiveGood, you're not familiar with LiveGood, click on the link below, check it out. If you are part of LiveGood, get plugged into the team training site. I'm going to put the link below to the team training site so you can launch your business. If you've been kind of, in Live Good for maybe a little bit, and maybe you've told a couple people but haven't had the greatest response. Or on the other end, if you're just looking to grow your business and learn how to do it effectively, plug into the team training site. Okay, guys, this is Greg Rainbolt. Live good.